Welcome to Dynamics 365 Universe. In this video, we're going to learn how to measure the performance of your X++ code using the WinAPI class in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Have you ever wondered how long your logic takes to execute? Is your loop really efficient? Or how much delay a service call introduces? Let's explore a very handy way to benchmark your code in milliseconds using a simple technique. WinAPI's getTickCount is a method that returns the number of milliseconds since the system started. By calling it before and after your logic, you can get an exact idea of how long a process takes. I've already written the code to save your time, and yes, you can copy it directly from the blog link given in the description below. Let's walk through it. The class is called D365U class, and inside the main method, we're testing performance using the WinAPI's getTickCount method. This method gives us the number of milliseconds that have elapsed since the system started. Yes, milliseconds, so we can measure tiny time differences with precision. First test, the loop operation. We capture the start time, then we run a for loop from 1 to 1 million, yep, that's 1 million iterations. Inside the loop, we're doing a very simple arithmetic operation. Nothing fancy, but this mimics real-world data processing. Then, we capture the end time, and calculate the elapsed time in milliseconds by subtracting the start from the end. The result is printed using the info log. Just imagine, looping over a million items and seeing how fast X++ handles it. Second test, sleep operation. Now for something different. We again capture the start time, and then put the system to sleep for 3000 milliseconds, or in human terms, exactly 3 seconds. This is useful to understand how sleep impacts the system and to simulate delays in workflows or long API calls. Once the sleep ends, we capture the time again, calculate the difference, and log it. Let's run this and see the output. Watch closely as Dynamics tells us exactly how long these operations took, down to the last millisecond. Don't forget, the full code is available in the blog link below. Feel free to modify the loop count or sleep duration to see how performance scales in your environment. If this helped you, drop a like, comment with your results, and subscribe for more Dynamics 365 technical deep dives. Compare two different approaches, like direct DB calls versus cache-based logic. Understand what part of your logic is taking too long. Improve performance before it becomes a problem in production. Tips and best practices. Always test multiple runs to get an average. And that's how you can measure performance in X++ using WinAPI, a simple, effective, and developer-friendly method to ensure your code is optimized. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know what topic you want us to cover next. This is Dynamics 365 Universe, signing off. Build smarter, build faster.